Sofwave is one of the fastest growing non-surgical skin tightening procedures in aesthetic medicine today. I'm Robyn Jennett, a licensed esthetician at Coachlight Clinic Spa, a world's leading clinic. Today we'll be talking about Sofwave, how the technology works, and what you can expect. So what is Sofwave? Sofwave is a FDA-cleared non-surgical skin tightening treatment that uses superb ultrasound technology to effectively tighten the skin. Sofwave treats loose, black skin on both the face and body. Who is the ideal candidate for Sofwave? I personally say anyone over the age of 30 is a candidate for Sofwave. You're already beginning to break down collagen and elastin, so it's going to be a little bit more preventative at that point, but I have treated patients all the way up until their 80s. I don't recommend getting Sofwave if you are pregnant or have compromised skin that can include a sunburn or lesions, sores, open wounds, anything like that in the area that's being treated. How long does a Sofwave treatment take? Sofwave treatments take anywhere from 30 to 75 minutes depending on the area being treated and the size of the area. What should you expect before, during, and after a Sofwave treatment? There are no pre-treatment considerations for Sofwave treatments. There's nothing special you have to do beforehand. That's one of the best parts. The treatment itself is very comfortable. I typically do not numb my patients for Sofwave. I find that they are very comfortable throughout the whole process. I apply an ultrasound gel, give them the Zimmer, which keeps the gel cold, and I find that they are very comfortable throughout the whole process. Your first appointment does take a little bit longer. We take photos, read and sign consent forms. I mark areas for treatment, which is going to be the areas where you've lost volume. When we lay down, everything kind of falls, so it's important that we mark you while you're sitting up to make sure we're targeting the correct areas. I apply the ultrasound gel. The treatment itself is a 6-second pulse. And 5 seconds is ultrasound, 1 second is cooling. Patients, you guys can't really tell the difference. If you feel a pulse, you're gonna feel it in the last second. It's gonna be a little zing, maybe along the jawline, bony areas, the upper lip. Other than that, it's very, very comfortable. I actually really enjoy the time with my patients that it takes to do Sofwave. It gives us a good amount of time to catch up, lots of laughs. It's always a good time. After your treatment, I usually apply moisturizer and tinted sunscreen. You can go out to lunch with your girlfriends. No one will ever know you had anything done. Also, don't be surprised if it's instantly tighter, smoother, plumper. After a Sofwave treatment, you are going to continue to build collagen and elastin for up to 6 months. At that point, your natural aging is going to kick in. Unfortunately, aging is chronic. We can't avoid it. So you're going to slowly start to break down that collagen and elastin. How long the results are going to last depend on how well you take care of it. That's lifestyle, that's sun exposure. Do you smoke? Do you drink? What's your diet? Those sorts of things. Also, are you coming in for regular maintenance treatments? Are you using skincare products? All of those things are going to lengthen your Sofwave results. Before any procedure, it's important to do a consultation with your esthetician. Make sure you have a good understanding of the procedure and also make sure you're on the same page as far as expectations for results. For more information on Sofwave, visit worldsleadingclinics.com.